The video for section 4.3 is going to be pretty short. It's a great section to read. There are awesome examples and interactive content in the textbook, and I strongly suggest you read it more than once. But the book is great. The way they've set up this chapter on determinants is excellent, starting with the four defining principles and ending with the conceptualization of what it means to be a determinant, and it's all based on these volumes. So the visualization of what's happening, you always start with either a unit square or a unit cube, and then you can see what the linear transformation does to that. And what happens is that the squares will get turned into parallelograms, and when we're talking about a three-dimensional volume, the unit cube gets turned into some type of parallel pipette. Parallel pipette just means that we have parallel faces, three pairs of parallel faces. So we also have three pairs of congruent faces. So the next thing they point out is that what does it mean to have a zero determinant? Well, it takes the unit square and flattens it out, right? And we have linear dependence or zero determinants, right? So this is the key. There's zero volume if and only if the matrix has a zero determinant. So here, the parallel pipette got flattened out into a 2D shape. Here, the two-dimensional square got flattened out into a one-dimensional shape. And so the key point for the whole section is that the absolute value of the determinant is equal to the volume of P, right? And so P is just the parallel pipette defined by the um, the columns of the matrix, that's of the matrix A. Again, that's just the result when we apply the transformation to the unit vectors. And the upshot is, yes, this is all a volume. You should definitely go through the examples in this chapter. They show you why it's true. The proofs are very readable. And so definitely take a look at this incredible conceptual visualization chapter, this section, and read through all of the examples. You'll learn a lot. Is there anything that's from this that's going to be on the test? No. No, it's not one of those chapters where, hey, you're going to have 6 questions from this on the final exam. That's not true. But all of the questions that you do face, you'll understand better if you read through this section and understand it.